Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable developer options on any Infinix Android device. Developer options unlock advanced settings like USB debugging and animation tweaks. Let's dive right in. First, unlock your phone and go to the Settings app. You can find it on your home screen or app drawer. Once you're in Settings, scroll all the way down and tap on System. In System, when you scroll all the way down, you should be able to see developer options if it is already enabled. If it is not enabled, go back to Search, Settings, and search for build number in the search box. Tap on build number to open. Now look for the build number. Tap on it 7 times quickly. You'll see a countdown saying you are now X steps away from being a developer. If your phone asks for your lock screen password, just enter it to confirm. Once you've tapped enough times, you'll see a message that says you are now a developer. Developer options are now unlocked. To access developer options, go back to the Settings menu, scroll down and look for System or additional settings depending on your device model. Tap on it, and you'll find developer options listed there. In developer options, you'll see advanced settings like USB debugging, animation scales, and more. Be careful while making changes. Some options can affect your phone's performance. And that's it. You've successfully enabled developer options on your Infinix Android device. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.